Hi guys, just as promised. So this is our lace wig factory, and these are just samples of our frontals. These are our employees ventilating, making furnace closures and all that. She right there is inspecting the work that has already been done. And if there's any mistake, we'll go ahead and fix it, just to ensure you get what you order for. So this is where the whole work is going on. You can see all our workers are busy, and then they work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. every single day. So this is where the lace nets are being produced, and the lady right there does the inspection as well. I'm just going to let you guys watch to the end of this video to see what's going on. So she's in charge of making all the lace wig nets and all that. So if you want to order for any of the lace wigs, bead closures, frontals, 360s and all that, you can just WhatsApp the number on the screen. These are just some of the jobs we've handled. We take orders from 5 pieces and above. So we use very quality lace, from HT lace down to Swiss lace nets. So have a nice time and thanks for watching. Bye.